Finding freedom online, my journey into the digital world, how I turned uncertainty into opportunity and built a new life on the internet. The internet has always felt like a massive universe, endless, complicated, and intimidating. For years, I saw it as a place where other people built successful businesses, shared their ideas, and created meaningful lives. I thought it was reserved for the tech-savvy or those who had insider knowledge. I couldn't have been more wrong. What I discovered is that the internet doesn't ask you for a degree, a bank balance, or years of experience. It simply asks you to show up, be consistent, and learn along the way. This is the story of how I went from being completely lost about what to do with my life to finding direction, financial independence, and even personal fulfillment through the opportunities hidden within the digital world. The struggle of not knowing. Before I started, my days looked the same. Wake up, scroll aimlessly through social media, and feel envious of people who seemed to have it all figured out. I wanted something more, but I didn't know what that something was. I was trapped in the cycle of waiting for the perfect idea, the perfect moment, or the perfect opportunity. But life doesn't deliver perfection. It delivers chances, and it's up to us to grab them. At that time, I had no money to invest, no experience in business, and no real confidence. But I had a laptop, internet access, and the growing awareness that if other people could create online success, maybe I could too. My first steps into the unknown. I didn't begin with a business plan or a clear roadmap. Instead, I started small. I searched for ways people earn money online without investment, freelancing, content creation, and digital products. I quickly realized that the barrier to entry was far lower than I thought. I signed up for freelance platforms, offered to write simple articles, and taught myself how to edit documents and create graphics using free tools. At first, it was messy. I didn't know what clients expected, and I made mistakes. But I also made progress. Slowly, I built confidence. Soon, I discovered the power of sharing knowledge. When I started writing about my experiences online, what I was learning, the tools I was using, and the mistakes I was making, something amazing happened. People responded. They thanked me for sharing, asked me questions, and even encouraged me to write more. Building something bigger, that was the moment I understood the true potential of the internet. It isn't just a place for scrolling and consuming. It's a place to create, contribute, and connect. I started setting small goals for myself. Write one helpful article each week, improve my skills through free online courses, network with others who were also trying to build something online. Step by step, I shifted from being a passive consumer to an active creator. The income wasn't instant, but the growth was undeniable. My freelance work expanded, my writing gained traction, and I even began experimenting with selling simple digital products like templates and guides. What surprised me the most wasn't just the money, it was the sense of freedom. I no longer felt trapped or directionless. The internet had given me both a voice and a purpose. Lessons I learned along the way. If there's one thing I want to share with anyone who feels lost or unsure about what to do in life, it's this. Start now, even if you have no idea what you're doing. The internet is full of opportunities, but you'll never see them if you're waiting for the perfect moment. Here are some lessons that guided me. Consistency beats perfection. Showing up every day matters more than knowing everything. Learn as you go. You don't need to be an expert on day one. Skills build with practice. Community matters. Surround yourself with others on the same journey. They'll inspire and support you. Failure is feedback. Every mistake is a lesson, not an ending. A new chapter. Today I look back at the person I was, unsure, afraid, and stuck, and I almost don't recognize them. Through the internet, I've found not only a way to earn an income, but also a sense of meaning. I discovered that the digital world isn't just about money. It's about growth, creativity, and freedom. If you're reading this and wondering whether you should take the leap, I'll tell you the same thing I wish someone had told me earlier. Don't wait. Start now. The world is changing faster than ever, and the internet is the greatest tool of our time. Whether you want to write, create, teach, or build something brand new, there's space for you here.